There are two pieces that make up the ABS control unit: the dynamic control module, red arrow, and the hydraulic control unit, yellow arrow. The two units are connected and located on the front left of the engine compartment. You need to separate the wiring connection from the control unit. Begin by lifting off the protective cover, red arrow, from the wiring connection, yellow arrow. When separating the wiring connection from the control unit, it is very important that you do not damage the clip on the harness, as this can cause the harness not to lock into place when reinstalling. Never use tools to disconnect the harness and never force it. If you are forcing it, you are doing something wrong. Release the clips on the bottom of the connector as indicated by the red arrow and pivot the connector up towards the top 90 degrees. This photo illustrates the connector hinge, red arrow, when it is raised 90 degrees. This will start to walk or push the harness out from the control module. With the hinge all the way up, you can pull the connection straight back and apart. There are a lot of small electrical pin connections in the harness, so make sure it is properly lined up when reinstalling so as not to damage it. To remove the unit, remove the left side inlet duct by compressing it towards the front of the vehicle, red arrow, and slipping it off the intake cover. There are 4 T20 bolts that hold the dynamic control module to the hydraulic control unit, red arrows 2 shown. Remove the 4 bolts. With the bolts removed, pull the unit straight back and off, red arrow. Before installing the new control unit, make sure to inspect the hydraulic unit, red arrow. There should be no signs of damage and there should be no brake fluid leaking out anywhere on the unit. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.